Let me show you how to transform your wig, from this to this. I'm going to be using the Give Me Cosmetics hair care bundle. First I'm going to dampen the whole wig and go in with the aloe vera and coconut oil shampoo. Once that's lathered, I'm then going to wash it all out. Then moving on to the aloe vera and coconut oil conditioner. This is going to help give that really silky finish to the hair. I do leave this in for 5 minutes before rinsing it out. Now my favourite part and the key to getting your hair looking silky smooth is the aloe vera and coconut oil hair mask. This stuff is honestly magical and I absolutely love it. So I'll leave that for 10 minutes, then rinse out. Then I'll let it dry naturally overnight. I'm honestly obsessed with how my wigs look once I use these products. Hair mask is especially my favourite because it just gives that silky shine. The whole bundle is sulfate and silicone free, so it's going to help repair and nourish the hair. It feels so luxurious. The hair smell unreal. That is how I revamp my wigs. Now I will link the hair care bundle for you and you can all thank me later.